Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't set up Apple Pay on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to set up your Apple Pay account but you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to set up your Apple Pay you see an error couldn't set up Apple Pay. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you have to go back and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. That might be Wi-Fi, cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can go ahead to your settings app here, try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go to general section, go to VPN device management and try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then go back, go to language and region and select your own region in which you are living. So after selecting your region, you just have to go back. Go to date and time section and try to enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back and here you have to go to software update and just try to update your software. If you want any kind of any software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not true that you have to quickly press release volume up, then volume down, then press and roll the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's only way you have to simply open your Apple Support app or the very first before contacting with Apple Support. You can try to reset your network settings. Go back, go ahead to your settings app again and go to general, go to VPN or go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixing this tab and you'll not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issues, there's only single way. Just open Apple's Support app, select iPhone from here, and select this more option and select wallet from here. And here just wait for the loading, then select get more help, then tap on call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.